Hello guys, we are back with another video. Today's topic is how to activate Windows 10. Many people find it hard to activate their Windows, so I have made a program to activate your Windows. So let's start. First of all, run this program as administrator. Now choose the type of window you have. I have Windows 10 Professional, so I will choose 5. It will take some time, so don't close this tab. Okay, you can see my window is now activated. Product activated successfully. Now check. You can check my window is activated now.